Okay. Uh, Customer material info record. Okay. So customer material info record वो start करेंगे. Let's start with this. Okay. So for to create a customer material info record, the T code is VD51. Okay. VD51. 2 is for change and same as a VD53 is for display. Okay. So here what has happened? See, this is for a preference purpose. So you have already created customer separate, material separate, right? But what will happen? You might have a customer, preferred customer, or you might have a customer requirement is different. So in that case, you will be creating in the customer material info record. Okay. So now give your customer TCS, and now give a sales organization and distribution channel. Okay. Now you're creating a customer material info record. And for this, say example, you might have customer have materials number of their own preference for that material. Okay. Now we have here customer with the sales. Okay. Now say example, we call as a cycle is a material for our, but customer wants something other name. Okay. Propose for customer material not possible via specifying division. Okay. So you might call customer name is sorry. Here in a company perspective, the material name is we have given as something number wise. Okay, or some number or code. Okay. So if you look here, in some companies, they'll instead of giving a name cycle, they might have given the number 1, 2, 3 something, and their call as a 1, 2, 3 will be a cycle. Correct. So here now material number we have given here as a clearly cycle. But if you want your choice, like say customer's choice, now they has call as a they don't want to be a complete cycle, say as a something has a shortcuts SCYC and 1, 2, 3 call as a CIC 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now this is the code you set it for a cycle. So give this code. Okay. So give this code, save it. Now go for order. When you're creating a order, this is your customer, right? And material is cycle. Okay. Now if you enter, see here, you can see a customer material number CYC 1, 2, 3. It's taking it. Okay. So now one is this option. Okay. The another one is, for example, now customer will say, I don't want the this your description. I want other description. Okay. I don't want your company name to be here. I want some other name. So like this, you can give one more name, enter. Sorry, go to change. Go to change, give your material, NIS, execute. Okay. Now double click on this material number. If you want to double click, see you will find your customer description here. Now again, say example, now the previous material number will be cycle for NIS1. Now you don't want this. Now customer want say something as a I want to be give as a my name. Customer will be a uh, customer TCS. Give as a TCS customer. Okay. Save it. Now same way, if you go back, okay. Let's see. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now see here. Now the description also has been changed here. If you look here, the description is what is it is cycle for TCS customer. Now your code customer number is also changed. Customer item description also is changed. Okay. Either you can give your material directly here, or else also you can change give your customer material number. If you don't, if you suppose if you want to give as a some easiest number, for example, a customer TCS, just give the TCS and that also will be recognized easily. Okay. So same way, you have a preference here. If you look here, there's another preference is there. Shipping preference is there. Plant, you can give a plant. So it will be automatic. It determines for that order. Delivery priority is there. How priority has to be set for a what is it for this customer? Whether it is to be highly or normal or low. So you can set here. Okay. So one, you can give anything here. Okay. Minimum delivery quantity, you can keep anything. How much quantity you want to give. So these all things you can give here. Example, if I give it two minimum quantity. Okay. To save it. So now what will happen? Summer, you give us just type here or else here material, either one and any one of them. Okay. So now if we type here one, okay. So plant, I think it is. If you look here, so plant is already taken. It is from where it is. See the plant determination. What will happen? This is a see this a plant determination will happen from three three ways. One is from customer material info record. I'll just show you here. Customer material info record, and second is customer master record, and third is material master record. Now say example, you have one plant which is called as a 1000. Okay, you have three plants, 1001. The other plant is 1200, and for material you might set as a 1300. Okay. Now while creating a order, what will happen? It will be pick priority will be given to the customer material. The plant will be picked here. This will call as a plant determination. Plant determination. So this will be picked here in the while creating a sales order 1000. Suppose if you are not there, customer material is not there, then what will happen? It will be picked here 1200 default. Now if you don't have 1000, what is it? Customer or material master also you not maintain. Then it will check for the material. It will take as a 1300. Now if you don't have material, if you are not maintaining the material also, then what you can do? It will be has shown as a blank. You have to give as a manually. Okay. So determine to determine automatically what happened, what you have to do, you have to maintain from a material customer or customer material info record. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can try this. Just write down here. Now it will pick as a 1300. Oh, sorry, 1000. So same way, the second scenario, I'll just for your reference purpose, I'll keep here. If it is not there, then it will take as a 2. Okay. Now again, if we suppose the example, you set here VA01, then if for example, if you don't have customer also, then it will take as a 1300. Okay. This is your plan determination will happen. Okay. So now same delivery priority, it will be determined in customer also. If you look here, BP, if you look here in the BP, I think this one, yes. Yeah, delivery priority. So your plant delivery plant is there, delivery priority is there. So you can maintain this either in this shipping under customer material or else in the customer shipping. Okay. So this is the thing. And the minimum order, maximum delivery, partial delivery item. So this also it's there. So this also you can set here. And maximum and minimum. Now, if you have another plant, you can check here if you have a plant. No, we have maintained only one plant here. Okay. So just save. Go for close location.
Sir, we cannot, directly it will come storage location. We cannot set anything for that.
No, no, we cannot do it for storage location. We can do it only for the plant and shipping pointer, but not for the storage location.
There is no setting for storage location
No,
for in customer master data, material master data.
no, no. So that is if you want to, you have to be enhance or some user exists, you have to use it from a backend. Okay. Save data has been created. So like this customer material you have to create, and this is like only when you have a preference purpose. So this is like whatever your data is maintained here under uh, customer customer material info record. So that is only example. If you have a customer is there and another is material is there. So anything if you give your customer material, the preference will be given to the first customer material info record, and then based on that the sales order will be created. Anything it is. So whatever the data it is there in the whether the uh, whether the plan or delivery priority, minimum quantity, whatever it is there, and these things it will be displayed as a extra thing it is on the sales order. So this is the customer material info record. Okay. So now coming to another topic, I'll take you. It is uh, common master data. Common master data. VOR1. Okay. Common master data for distribution channel and division. Okay. If you look here, I'll just show open another screen. See VOR2. If you look here, VOR2. Okay. So here it is only division. If you see here, sales organization division, division customer and division condition and division customer. Whereas another, if you look here, sales organization, distribution channel, and distribution channel for a condition and the customer master data. Okay, so what is here it is? So now, now, say example, if you're creating a sales order, okay. Now sales order, we have a multiple distribution channel and divisions are there. Okay. Published. We have a sales organization SO1, okay, DC1 and division 1 with this name. So now you can create a order, okay. So when you create an order, it's okay. But the configuration, everything is been done with the based on this customer configuration, condition. Which condition? Which condition is that? What is this condition? It is actually Parmeshwar or Abdul.
Condition for what, sir?
No, this is what condition it is actually. Condition master data type is
This is called condition record or
condition record pricing.
uh,
Okay,
condition record?
pricing. This is for pricing, condition master record, customer master record, material master record. Now in this what happened? Now say example you have a sales organization will be one, and you have a distribution channel, multiple distribution channel, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now division also you might have 1, sorry, 2, division 3 and division 4. Okay. Now while creating a condition master record or customer master record or material, if you look here, go for customer BP. While creating, okay. So what will happen? Just, okay. Here, if you look while creating a customer master data area, sales area, it will ask you sales organization, distribution channel, and division, right? Now you have created your example. I'm saying by this scenario, SO1 111. Okay, 111. Now, while doing a sales order, so you cannot create with this DC2 distribution channel. Okay. Now, if you want to create another sales order with SO1, DC2, and division 1 example. So then you have to create another customer or condition or material. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, instead of creating a multiple things, multiple division, multiple distribution channel, everything. So you just maintain as a one common uh, master record for sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay. Now, if you have a multiple, what you can do, you just create one common as a SO01 and one simple. I'll just show you some sample. Take as this. Okay. Now, what happened? Sales organization will be remain one. Okay. But the distribution channels, you have multiple distribution channel. Okay. Now, if you set as a common for everything, then 10, 10, 10 distribution channel. So what will happen if you want to create for a 16 also, the same will be taken from the 10 what is the given in distribution channel. Same condition for a from the 10 customer and material also. But whereas in for a division, it will take only for customer, not for material. If you look here, condition and the customer. But whereas in distribution channel, it take for the customer, material, and condition. Okay. Why? Because in material, if you look in a material, if you look in material organization, it shows only ask for the condition and sorry, sales organization and distribution channel. Okay, it will not ask division here. So that's the reason. That's the reason it will be only for a customer. Okay, so you can what you can do, you can create a multiple sales division and multiple distribution channel. So do you have any extra this distribution channel and division? Tell me, I'll try. I'll show you. Anyone have a?
No, sir, I don't have. You can create one.
Okay, you can do one thing. You can create multiple distribution channel and division, and then you can try this with this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So these two what is it? Three topics: plan determination. One is plan determination. Second thing is customer info record, and then customer material info record, plan determination, and then this is common master data. Master data. So these are the basic things. It is just for your what is it? Scenario wise, you can use it. That's it. So if you have a multiple distribution channel, how to use and how to connect. So like this, you can try it out. Okay. And okay. So apart from then, let's see it. So whatever the next week I'll see. Let me stop this first.